Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to overline text in Microsoft Word. Adding an overline to text can be useful for equations, headers, or styling. Let me show you step by step how to do it. So we are gonna use the line tool and that's pretty simple. Normally you have to write something here and so normally write the text where you wanna add overline. And here I want to add an overline. So normally you have to click on the insert menu and then you have to choose shape, and from here you have to choose line. Draw a line above the text. From here you can adjust the position also. That's an easy way to add overline in Microsoft Word. And that's all about the guide on how to overline text in Word, whether you are using the equation tool, field codes, or shapes. Now you can easily overline any text you want. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.